Welcome to our journey through time, a pilgrimage into the shadowy realm of extinction. Here we explore the last moments of remarkable creatures forever captured on film, their images a poignant echo of their presence on this earth. Join us as we journey into the heart of extinction, exploring the last vestiges of these vanished creatures. This is the grainy black and white footage flickering with the passage of time that shows us the last known thylacine. Captured in 1933 at the Hobart Zoo in Tasmania, this solitary male, named Benjamin, paces his enclosure. Scientists, armed with preserved DNA, dream of a future where this marsupial roams Tasmania. Through cloning techniques, they strive to piece together the thylacine's genetic blueprint. The potential to right the wrongs of the past, to bring back a creature silenced by human greed, is a siren song that scientists find difficult to resist. Imagine North America's skies darkened by countless birds taking flight. Billions of passenger pigeons once filled the skies, their flocks eclipsing the sun. The last passenger pigeon, Martha, died in 1914, a testament to human impact. Scientists now believe gene editing could bring back the passenger pigeon. High in the rugged Pyrenees mountains, a lone female Pyrenean ibex grazes on a rocky precipice. This poignant image, captured in 1999, would be one of the last glimpses of this majestic creature. The last Pyrenean ibex, Celia, was found dead a year later, marking the end of a species. Researchers used her preserved cells in a daring attempt to clone the Pyrenean ibex. The resulting offspring only survived for a few minutes, highlighting the challenges of resurrecting a species. Despite this, Celia's clone offers a glimmer of hope, a testament to scientific innovation. The western black rhinoceros, once a formidable presence, is now lost to us, a victim of relentless poaching. The last confirmed sighting was in Cameroon in 2006. While the western black rhinoceros is gone, its relatives cling to survival. Conservationists fight tirelessly to ensure their fate does not mirror that of their fallen brethren. In the annals of extinction, the quagga holds a unique place. A subspecies of the plains zebra, the quagga's stripes faded to reddish-brown on its hindquarters. The last known quagga died in captivity at the Amsterdam Zoo in 1883. Scientists study preserved quagga DNA to resurrect this lost creature through selective breeding. This challenging endeavor offers hope for the quagga's return to the African plains. The dodo, a flightless bird from Mauritius, symbolizes extinction. Hunted by sailors and preyed upon by introduced species, it vanished by the late 17th century. Researchers now study its DNA to uncover its secrets and explore resurrection possibilities. The idea of bringing back the dodo, etched in human imagination, is tantalizing. Standing upright on rocky shores, the great auk, a flightless seabird, once thrived in vast colonies across the North Atlantic. Hunted for their meat, feathers and oil, the great auk was driven to extinction by the mid-19th century. Scientists, using ancient DNA extracted from these remnants, are exploring the possibility of bringing back the great auk through de-extinction techniques. The potential to restore a lost species and re-establish balance in the North Atlantic ecosystem is a powerful motivator. Imagine a time when colossal woolly mammoths roamed the frozen tundra, their massive tusks cutting through the icy air. Remarkably well-preserved remains, unearthed from the Siberian permafrost, provide scientists with a tantalizing glimpse into the past. These frozen carcasses, containing intact DNA, have fueled dreams of resurrecting the woolly mammoth through cloning. The possibility of seeing these majestic creatures once again roam the Arctic tundra is a testament to the power of scientific advancement. In the icy waters of the Bering Sea, a gentle giant once grazed on kelp forests. Steller's sea cow, a massive marine mammal related to the dugong. Discovered in 1741, it was hunted to extinction within 27 years, a stark testament to human greed. Scientists, intrigued by its unique biology, are exploring de-extinction. Using ancient DNA from bone fragments, they hope to reconstruct its genome and revive this gentle giant. The turquoise waters of the Caribbean once teemed with life, including the playful antics of the Caribbean monk seal. Sadly, human encroachment and hunting drove this gentle species to extinction. Though the Caribbean monk seal is gone, their legacy lives on in the ongoing efforts to protect their relatives, the Hawaiian monk seal and the Mediterranean monk seal. Through dedicated conservation programs, researchers strive to ensure that these endangered species do not suffer the same tragic fate. The Baiji dolphin, once revered as the goddess of the Yangtze, faced pollution, overfishing and habitat loss. In 2002, researchers captured the last known footage of this elusive creature. Though presumed extinct, hope remains as researchers monitor the Yangtze for any survivors. Lonesome George, the last known Pinta Island tortoise, became an icon of conservation and a poignant symbol of extinction. Despite efforts to find him a mate, Lonesome George died in 2012, taking with him the last vestiges of his kind. Scientists, determined to preserve his legacy, collected and froze Lonesome George's cells, hoping to one day resurrect the Pinta Island tortoise through cloning. Their efforts, though challenging, offer a glimmer of hope for the future of this iconic species. The haunting image of the last known thylacine in a Tasmanian zoo resonates with those fighting to bring it back from extinction. Scientists, armed with preserved DNA, explore resurrecting the Tasmanian tiger through cloning. The challenges are immense, but restoring balance to the ecosystem is a powerful motivator. The road to de-extinction is long, but seeing the Tasmanian tiger roam again offers hope for the future. The ivory-billed woodpecker, once a majestic inhabitant of the southeastern United States, was thought to be extinct for decades. Then, in 2004, a blurry video surfaced capturing what some believe to be this elusive bird. The possibility of a small population surviving in remote swamps fuels hope for its rediscovery. The story underscores the importance of protecting old-growth forests and continued conservation efforts. The Javan tiger, a majestic predator once found only on the Indonesian island of Java, is now tragically extinct. Habitat loss, hunting, and human encroachment pushed this magnificent creature to the brink. Though the Javan tiger is gone, its legacy lives on in the ongoing efforts to protect its close relatives, the Sumatran tiger and the Amur tiger. Through dedicated conservation programs, researchers and conservationists are working tirelessly to ensure that these critically endangered species do not suffer the same tragic fate. The coastal waters of Japan were once home to the Japanese sea lion. These playful animals were hunted for their skin and blubber, driving them to extinction in the 20th century. Their legacy lives on in efforts to protect other endangered sea lion species. Through research and conservation, we strive to preserve ocean biodiversity. In the Mojave Desert, a tiny fish once thrived in the Tecopa Hot Springs, California. The Tecopa pupfish was driven to extinction by habitat alteration and non-native species. Its legacy lives on in efforts to conserve other endangered pupfish species. Their story underscores the importance of protecting desert springs and the species that depend on them. The Monteverde cloud forest of Costa Rica was once home to a dazzling spectacle, the golden toad. These tiny amphibians with their vibrant orange skin captivated all who were fortunate enough to witness their brief mating season. Though the golden toad is presumed extinct, their legacy lives on in the ongoing efforts to protect the Monteverde cloud forest and its remaining inhabitants. Through sustainable tourism, scientific research and community engagement, we can strive to preserve this biodiversity hotspot for future generations. The Spix's macaw, a stunning blue parrot once native to Brazil, is now extinct in the wild. While a small number of Spix's macaws remain in captivity, their distinctive calls no longer echo through the Brazilian forests. Through captive breeding programs and ongoing conservation efforts, there is hope for the future of the Spix's macaw. By addressing the root causes of their decline and working to restore their natural habitat, we can strive to bring this iconic bird back from the brink. The murky depths of the Yangtze River hold a somber secret, the presumed extinction of the Baiji dolphin. Once revered as the goddess of the Yangtze, this dolphin succumbed to pollution, overfishing, and habitat degradation. Though likely gone, their legacy lives on in efforts to protect the Yangtze and its inhabitants. Through regulations, sustainable fishing, and awareness campaigns, we can preserve this vital waterway's biodiversity. Thank you for joining us on this poignant journey through the last moments of these incredible creatures. Their stories, though often tinged with sadness, serve as powerful reminders of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the profound impact of our actions. Through conservation, education, and a renewed commitment to protecting our planet, we can strive to create a future where both wildlife and humanity can thrive. Together, let us explore, understand, and protect the incredible biodiversity of our planet.